What's up, YouTube? This is my 2006 BMW 330xi all-wheel drive with 150,000 miles. I got it used off Let Go. As you can see, it got the white interior. It's a little bit messy in here, but this car actually runs good, and I got it for $1,600. Thanks to this guy, BlueDriver. I made sure the car ran good before I bought it. Let's pop the hood. As you can see, $150,000 miles. Everything pops up. Fire that bad boy up. One start. Fired right up. Oh, check engine light. Let's kind of wait until the engine calms down. Missing the headlight. So yeah, I got this car for $1,600. Sunroof. Works just fine. Automatic. I say it's a good deal. Car idle smooth. 1,600 RPMs. Smooth. Let's look at the exterior. Like I said, this is the 330xi. Check under the hood. Like I said, 150,000 miles. New one of these. Oil filter cap. What you guys think? $1,600 for a perfectly fine running BMW all-wheel drive. Sounds like a come up to me, guys. What do you think? AC blows cool. like this car. $1,600, guys. $1,600 for a perfectly fine BMW. Clean title. Let's take a look at the title. So, here's the title. New Jersey title, clean. I got it from Jersey, BMW green, 30,000 miles. I got it at 150. Clean title, no bank, no lying. It's a good deal, $1,600. $1,600. It's not much, guys.